Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my hair, my makeup, and my earrings. So today, I have this hair clip. This is a simple clip or a clip, and this has pearls and gold, and that is my clip. And then this is my hair, just actually, mag-makeup ako mag-haircut kami ngayon. So, ngayon ay time para magpagupit ako. So, baka i-vlog ko din yon. Pagkatapos, ito yung hair ko. So, medyo ano na siya, dry and fuzzy. So, I have to, kailangan kong pumunta na sa pagupitan. Pagkatapos,